Hello everyone. Advocate advTaffo appeared in court 62 Jose Maburu for bail application yesterday on the 21st of February. Lerato advTaffo, Mrs. advTaffo had a conversation with Bongani Masuku on SA Infotainment podcast, and she updated Bongani about Advocate advTaffo's case and said he appeared yesterday and the investigating officer was nowhere to be found, and the magistrate didn't want to hear anything about the bail application, and the state requested for another postponement, and it was postponed to the 20th of March 2024. Advocate advTaffo really needs our prayers. He'll have to stay there for another month till he hears if he's going to be granted a bail or not. Even Mrs. advTaffo is no longer surprised about these postponements because they just want to keep advTaffo inside the cells for as long as they can. She also revealed that before advTaffo was arrested in August last year, he opened a case against the state prosecutor George Baloyi for defeating the end of justice in the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial. And the case number is 383/5/23, and the person who is in charge of this case is Detective Super, the one that arrested advTaffo on the 1st of August last year. And if these allegations are true, Baloyi is really rotten. What is it that he doesn't want the public to know? She also stated that there's a case of contempt of court against Advocate advTaffo with LPC, and she attended that case in September 2023, and it took 2 days. While she was in court, her husband's attorney told her to look at the bag, and she saw Supe, the same guy who didn't want to charge advTaffo, and said he was being instructed by the DPP, and that case was a civil matter. She doesn't understand why Supe was present in court, and she found out that Supe is a sergeant. He was staying in barracks, and she got information that Supe was now moved into a state house, and she doesn't understand whether this guy is being rewarded for doing all the evil things to advTaffo. She also said somebody told her that Super never applied to be moved to a state house. She also mentioned that there was no J50, a warrant of arrest, when they arrested advTaffo back in August. This is really shocking because Advocate advTaffo firstly opened a case against the state prosecutor Baloyi for defeating the ends of justice, and he wasn't arrested. Later on, there was a case opened for Advocate advTaffo, and he's been in jail since August last year. This is so heartbreaking. They don't want to arrest the right people in the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial, and now they are arresting advTaffo for exposing the truth. It's really hard shame in South Africa. It seems like we don't have a judiciary system. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.